Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study chemistry in Class 12. Begin by mastering the foundational concepts. Don't just memorize, truly understand definitions, laws, and principles. This strong base is crucial for tackling more complex topics. Actively engage with the material, perhaps by explaining concepts aloud or to a study partner. Consistent effort in these early stages will pay significant dividends as you progress through the curriculum. To truly excel, consistent problem-solving practice is essential. Work through a wide range of numerical problems from your textbook and previous exams. Don't just look at solutions, try to solve them yourself first. Understand each step in the solution process. Regularly revisit any questions you found difficult. This active engagement builds confidence and deepens your understanding of how concepts apply. Organic chemistry often feels daunting, but it's manageable with the right approach. Create detailed flowcharts for reaction mechanisms and name reactions. Focus on understanding functional groups and their unique reactivity. Practice drawing structures and predicting products for various reactions. Visualizing these processes helps immensely. Regular review of these patterns will solidify your knowledge and improve recall during exams. As exams approach, effective revision becomes paramount. Condense your notes into summary sheets for quick, efficient review. Take timed mock tests to familiarize yourself with the exam format and manage your time effectively. Analyze your performance to pinpoint weak areas and then dedicate focused study time to strengthen them. Consistent revision and self-assessment are key to achieving your best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.